to my channel, and today we are going to do altered mixed media art for wall decor. So I have taken this frame and I got it from my DT kit, and I'm going to apply ground texture paste on the sides of this frame. So after applying it, let it dry, and in the meanwhile we are going to take our paper pack, and I use this paper from Crafteria Priya. I'm just cutting out the edges to make it look like a 3D, and I'm going to paste it just like that. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, do subscribe my channel and don't miss out for more future DIYs. So guys, next thing I'm going to do is paste this paper, and I'm going to use then my stencil and the texture paste. As you can see, I'm just applying paste all over my stencils, and I'm using the scripted stencil because it looks good and great to me, so I just use it. You can use any stencil you are having with any design, whatever suits you. It totally depends on you. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. If yes, do thumbs up, share this video, like this video, and also subscribe, and also press the bell icon so you shouldn't miss the future DIYs videos. We are coming with lots of videos now. So just like that you need to do in the another part of it as well. So just apply it, and guys, it's really your creativity. Okay, so use whatever you like. You don't have to use what I'm using here. You just use your imagination and create the projects. So it's done now, as you can see. So now I'm going to use my white gesso, and I'm going to apply the rest part of it, which is not covered yet. And I already applied, the ground texture paste, so it's gonna look lovely after applying the white gesso. Now I'm using my heat gun to dry it fast. So now I'm going to use my MDF cutout. I'm going to cut these pieces out of it. I don't know what you're gonna call, but if you have any design or leafy design, you can take that too. And now I'm going to use my metallic paints from Imix, and I'm applying all over the surface. To highlight my design, I'm using Magicals from Fabrica Decor. I'm just using a little bit powder. I'm going to apply the water with the brush and just see the magic. It's going to spread out all over the surface, and rest I'm going to apply the outer surface of it. I'm also using the metallic paints from Imix, as I told you. Tuscan Red and Orchid are the names of the metallic paints which I used here. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial, guys. If you're liking it, do thumbs up. And the next, I'm going to use more of the MDFs and embellishments, and I'm going to do quickly of it. Okay, so I show you just whatever paints I used. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now I'm quickly gonna paste everything whatever I used. Okay, so please don't mind my fake dog, or he's always there around me whenever I make something. So by chance he's sitting always in my room, so that's why. Okay, so I'm going to paste everything with the heavy gel medium, and I strictly recommend you to use the gel mediums to paste these things, because nothing will come off after pasting them with heavy gel medium. So I'm going to paste every MDF whatever I'm using, and instead of this girl you can use your own picture, and rest of the embellishments I'm going to use fast. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe my channel for future more DIYs. Thanks.